first of all we're going to see definition of what is a method. Okay, so method is a group or blocks of codes which takes input from the user, okay, and process it and give you the output. Okay, so method is nothing but, in simplified word, methods are nothing but a couple of groups or blocks, we can say, of codes or that input the user, that user inputs. So method, user can input the method, as we can see. Okay, so there are several types of methods. Actually there are couple of types, like predefined method and user defined method. Okay, so so in predefined method there are points like print method is there, sort method is there, sqrt is there, in next int is there. Okay, so as you know, print method is used to print some codes or some output, and it is a predefined, so you can't change it, or you can't do modification in that method. Okay, that's why it's called as predefined, you cannot change it. Okay, then there is a sqrt, which is a mathematical method, which is used to find the number of the power of the particular number. Okay, then there is a user defined method, which is nothing but user can define that the particular method. Okay, so it can be anything, like it's depend on the user what she want to do the name to the method. So it can be anything like add, subtract, or anything like define, positive, negative. Okay, which is it's only depend on the user. That's why it's called as user defined method. Okay, then how we use the method. Okay, so how we use the method, like using method is positive to us, like it decreases the code, or you can say line of code, which will eventually represented as the code of your the code which you have written will execute faster. Okay, then the readability of the code increases, and then the repetition which is used in code will decreases. So eventually the code size of line or length will decreases, and the execution of your code happens very quick. That's why we use method. Okay, thank you.